Hey guys, in the video today I'm going to be installing some custom rear pillar trim so you don't blow out your windows. It's coming up. Okay, so what am I actually talking about here? So if you watch one of my previous videos, you may have seen that I installed some custom covers. Oh, hashtag van life. Right, I'm going to have to clean this out. I love my wife, but I'm going to have to clean this out so I can do this video. Right, I think we can try that again. Now we can actually get access to the van. So what I was talking about, in the rear of the Transit Custom, you have got these access holes here. So these are to get access to your rear lights. I've seen people completely carpet over these, but then you may have an issue if a bulb goes and you need to get access. So what I did, if you watch my YouTube Shorts video, I kind of built these sort of covers. Just with a little bit of plywood, and just got those with Velcro, and the plan for those was they just kind of stick on there like that. After I posted that video onto YouTube, I had a flurry of comments from people saying you really don't want to cover up those panels at all because they're needed for ventilation, and there has been some claims that it causes pressure in the van that can actually pop out your windows. So if, like me, you've spent quite a bit of money on your van, you don't want your windows to pop out, I think probably going on the side of caution on this one, and trying to come up with a different solution. So I don't think there's necessarily a problem with covering these up as long as they are ventilated. And I had a quick look around and I couldn't find anything out there really which was a vented solution. But I did come across a company that got in touch with me called Custom Conversions, and a chap called Andy Colton, who runs that company, really kindly offered to send me over some of the covers that they do. So that's what I'm going to be installing today. I'm not going to do a standard install, just want to do a slightly custom approach, and I'll go through the materials and how I'm going to get this done. So these are the covers themselves. So these are available on Custom Conversions website. They are a prototype, so Andy did say that these are kind of a prototype product and sort of 3D printed, but you can buy these, and these are available for £12 for the pair, which I thought was pretty good. So you can see they are designed to fit directly into that hole, but you can also see that these aren't vented at all. These are just sort of solid plastic. So in terms of trying to make sure that we don't have that possible issue with windows popping out, what I'm going to do is just drill inside this section here. I'm going to drill through some sort of air holes in both of these. The other thing I'm going to do, just to make them look a little bit more in keeping with the van, I'm going to sort of cover them with some 4-way stretch that I've got left over and get those fit on with some trim Fix adhesive. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to mark up and I'll get these holes sort of drilled out in the centre, so we've got some ventilation, and then I'll get the 4-way stretch carpet put on. Okay, that's the first one done. Just need to give that a little bit of a sand down just to make sure there's no rough edges on that top. So now on to the second one. Okay, that's the second one all done now. So they're all screwed and vented. Just going to give these a quick rub down with a little bit of sandpaper, and then I'm going to get on to putting on my 4-way stretch. That's the first one done. Looks quite neat. So got the vent holes at the back. One thing I did do actually, just before I applied the 4-way stretch, I just poked through the holes on the front side where the trim Fix adhesive had gone, just to make sure that those vent holes were still working. But yeah, that looks quite nice and neat. So now rinse and repeat, and on to the second one. Okay, back at the van now, and got these ready to fit. So let's give this a whirl. So it looks like it goes with the thicker side out to that side there, easy with one hand. Oh, yeah, nice. Really good fit, actually. They go in really happy. Looks really neat. Okay, let's just check the other side. So we've got the outer edge there. Cool. Look really good. Thanks for watching. Thanks to Andy from Custom Conversions for supplying the covers for me to try out today. All the products that I've used today will be linked in the description below as well. And if you like the video, give us a like and a subscribe, and I'll see you next time.